On this video, I'm going to show you in two ways how you can start a printing business with no money, no printing skills, or even printing experience. So when we talk about printables, we talk about things that can actually be printed like your flyer, business cards, wedding invitations, the mesh like this one I'm wearing, and the one that are printed on mugs, anything that can be printed with printer. And this is actually business because people make a lot of money doing this. But you can actually do this in two ways with that money. And the first way I'm going to be sharing with you is convenient, stress free. But the second way is my favorite because you get to control the process from start to finish. So stick around and let's get started. So, like every other business, you have to have a business plan to be able to give you a guide as to how to run about the business you're about to start. So you have to at least know how much you're going to be putting as your price tag on your products by the time you produce them. So talking about printables, you have a design in mind, and to be able to design whatever you want to print, be it business card, invitation, whatever it is that you want to print, you must at least have the design. And even if you don't have any design experience, this website I'm going to share with you is going to actually help you. So just go over to canva.com. It is free to use, and though there is a pay version, and you can actually teach yourself. It is very friendly for beginners. So let's get started with Canva. So this is Canva. It is beginners friendly, and you can use it to design whatever it is you want to design. This is for logo, t-shirt, flyers, ebooks, A4 documents, journals, your story, even for mugs. Like you can have where you just tap here for mugs, and then it will show you where you can start creating your design. There are already made templates that you can just edit, to create your own design. So you don't need to bother yourself, even if you don't have the skills to design from scratch. So everything is well defined and you can actually use it. If you want to design t-shirt now, you can use text like you're seeing here. You can also use images, whatever it is you want to use. So assuming you want to use text, for example, you can tap this and then you click to edit. You can change the color of the text here. See, the color has changed. Or you can say, you can change the text by just double clicking, and I've just changed the text to and push and limit. You know, whatever it is, just play around with it. And once you're done, you tap here to share. You see, you say download, and then you download it. It's going to be in PNG because it is picture and you're going to imprint it on the clothes. So you download it here. So this version is free to use. There are actually paid version that you have to pay for, but with the free version, you can actually do a whole lot of things with it. So Canva is very good. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can use to go to Canva and start designing. So now that we have gotten our design, the next thing to do is to upload it to a website that will do the printing for you and the delivery for you. Go through the stress of sourcing the material, whatever it is, you just upload it to this website and they will print it and deliver it to you or to your customer any way you want it to be. The website is called Printable and their office is somewhere in Lagos. I'm going to leave the address of the office where you can actually visit them if there is any issue you need to rectify. So you just upload your design to this website. So this is Printable. It is an online print on demand site that can actually help you print whatever it is that you want to print. They have the price tag depending on the quantity of the item you want to print. You can actually use this site to make your own design instead of using Canva. But Canva is self-explanatory and is beginners friendly and you can easily use it. So on this site, you cannot just make orders for your printables. You can actually become a seller here. You click here and fill in necessary information for you to become an affiliate. That means with your affiliate link, if you refer somebody to come and patronize this site, you get some percentage or some commission. So it's another way of making money, even if you're bringing something for them to print for you. You can create your own online store where you keep uploading the designs you made for people to buy from when they visit the site. So this site is super good because you have multiple ways of making money from it. If you are very much serious about making money by doing printing business. So I also recommend that if you're in Lagos, you should patronize them because if you're outside of Lagos, if there are issues, you may not really be able to easily come to Lagos to rectify it. So assuming you want to design a business card for somebody, all you need to do is to come to this side, make sure you have checked the price and then your own profit too, because you'll be doing the errands, you'll be the middleman between the printer and the person that owns the job. So once you'll be able to set your price tag, you just come here, click on the business card you like from the templates you see here, and then you go and you tap on order. Then you see this will come out. You see upload your own design, create see other services you can use. So all you need to do is upload it. The picture is uploaded, then you say proceed to cart. That is if you want to actually if you want them to actually print this for you. So this site is very good, so you should use it and it will make the work so stress free. You don't need much. And to start it with that money, all you need to do is once you get a job, you tell your client this is how much it's going to cost. They pay you upfront. Once they pay you, you create the design, you show them. If they approve of it, you send it to this website. They print it for you, they deliver it to you, you go and deliver it to your customer or your client. So you don't need money to start up this business, and it's so cool and stress free. But the second part is my favorite because you control every process from start to finish. So for the second way of making money using this printing business is the manual way, if you ask me, because you have to make sure you go through the process all by yourself. So but before I go ahead with the second part of the way of making money using printing business, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that other people can get to learn from me too and start making money. You know the country is really hard, so please like and subscribe to this channel. So like the first one, once you have created your design and you show your clients and they approve of it, if it is clothes you want to print on, all you need to do is to go to this website to get a mock-up to advertise for your customers or intending customers to see how it's going to look like once they buy these clothes. So you just go to this website called Placeit. So this is Placeit. It is a place where you can, drag your picture to like on clothes or any item at all, and then you see how it's going to look by the time you print it on the actual clothes. So it has a free version and it also has a paid version, but the free version is quite good for you to do. So assuming you want to upload the image you have created on Canva on this website, you just go to click here, insert image. You see, you can actually do this for the three of them so that whoever you're going to be showing will see how it's going to look on the three of them. But you have to choose the one. See, it has three insert images, so you have to put for the three of them. However, for the paid version, you can use for one model, but they are using three because it is not paid. So once you're done, you download here and then you use it to place adverts on your social media platforms for people to see. So you also have to note that if you're using this second way, you go for the market survey yourself, go to the printer place yourself to know how much it's going to cost you to buy the fabric or the material that's going to be used to do the printing and the printing itself. By the time you've gathered all this knowledge, you'll be able to put a price tag on your product, doing it such that it can be affordable by your target customers so that they can actually buy from you if they need them. You can actually start this business with your friends and family, people that can trust you, and once they patronize you and it is good, they can help you, market the service to other people to come and use you to do their printing, knowing that you're going to deliver what you said you're going to deliver. So once you have the design and the mock-up from Placeit, you go to your social media platform. That is where you place your advert to get customers. And before you produce these products, you have to ask them to pay upfront because you're using their money to do the printing. So once they pay upfront, you go and do the printing and you deliver it to them as you told them it's going to be. That is the only way you're going to grow in this business. You really have to be honest and sincere with people. And this is you making money even without having any money. So there are other businesses you can actually start aside printing with that money. So if you want to know more about this business, check out this video. That is where you will see other businesses you can actually start even if you don't have money or you don't have any skill. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.